Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you the new line from Scrapaholics Chipboard. Not only did she produce papers, chipboard, but new this time around, she's doing flowers, guys. Gorgeous. I can't wait to show you what she sent me. So let's start with these yummy new papers. Now, I've gotten a bit of a sneak peek of these as Tracey and I were talking over the last month or so. And I will leave all of the information in the description box where you can purchase these. I mean, this is just so pretty. So let's start off with this one. It's got a beautiful, like, grayish purple background with pink butterflies and flowers, and it's got a brick texture background going along the script. And then, of course, there's this gorgeous bicycle in the corner. How pretty is this for spring, guys? And then a little street sign over here. In the back, your B side is just a little bit of script in pink. This is so pretty. I love this. So you get two of these. Oh, see, I think this is my design team pack, so pay no attention to the amount that you're getting. I would check the website for that. All right, so the second one, we have a cute little bird, and there's some, I don't think it's lilac. I can't remember what kind of a flower this is. But it's got some beautiful flowers over here. There's a birdhouse. How cute is that? There's, the background is, here, let me turn on my overhead. And I apologize for the poor lighting. It's nighttime here. I actually just got off a flight from Hawaii, so I'm a little spacey. I've spent the last close to, oh gosh, we had a really long layover, so it was near 20 hours. It took us to get from Honolulu to Buffalo, so I'm just a little right now, but anyways, on with this. So it's got like this purplish pink background with music notes on it. And our B side, oh, I like this a lot. This is just some music note with that same like mauve-y color. It's really pretty. I like this a lot. All right, so the next one, these are so pretty, gosh. So pretty. All right, so this one, oh, this is cute. We've got a tire swing with a bird. All of these cute little chains on here. I think these are magnolias. That's what they're called, Magnolia Blossoms. Super pretty floral cluster here. And on the back, oh, I like this. This is a gray script background. Look at these flowers. They are so pretty. So pretty. All right, I want to keep you forever, so I'm going to go a little faster. All right, and now we have this wood plank background. Got a watering can up here. It's watering out some flowers. So pretty. This is gorgeous, Tracey. A script background here. We've got a little floral cluster over here. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love these colors. These colors are so springy. They'll work really well for Valentine's Day, too. You could do some really cute romantic projects with this. All right. And then this one, we have the watering well. That is cute. Some butterflies and florals. These Magnolia Blossoms are gorgeous. And then the B side is just another gray script. Super cute. All right. Got some purple, like, hyacinth. That's what I was looking for. Purple hyacinth, some dandelions, this beautiful script. And then it's like a purple floral on the back. Really pretty. Very vintagey. I like. And then, let me see. Oh, look at this floral. This is really pretty. I like this with the the script at the top. This is gorgeous. So A and B, I probably should have been doing this the entire time. Sorry. Like I said, I'm a little tired, guys. Okay. And then I was just so excited when I got off the plane and saw these sitting here. I was like, it's my design team package from Tracey. Okay. So we've got some of these purplish leaves along with this polka dot back. Tracey, you really outdid yourself. These are really pretty. You know, it's one thing to see like a little photo image on Instant Messenger, but it's a different story to see them in person. So we've got a little bit of blue in this one with the blue flowers over here. Oh, this is really pretty. I like this. So it's got like a old-fashioned seed print on here. Really, really pretty. Let me see. And then we've got this trellis one here with the dragonfly. This is really, and then the darker purple on the back. Oh, I like. Really pretty, Tracey. Oh my gosh. So much. I love it. All right. So we've got some of these cute little flowers right here. It's called the Botanicals. There's 2 of them in the package. There's this adorable polka dot watering can that's watering out flowers. I love this. This is so cute. And that's watering can. This is another set of Botanicals, 2 per set. Very nice. These are going to be great for floral clusters. Love them. The trellis. That is so pretty. And this layers up. It's super, super cute. She showed me this idea the other day. Fell in love. Background of a trellis. I like this. This would be fun. You don't have to use this in one whole panel. You could cut this up and use it as background to add some texture on your project. A lot of fun. We have some dragonflies in this one. Ooh, some of these really pretty butterflies. Sucker for these butterflies. Oh, she sent me 2 of the trellis, or the watering can. Love that. This is the birdhouse that she created. This is really fun because it does layer up. This little base right here goes right here, and then this will come on top here so that it adds a bit more dimension to it. And these, oh my gosh, look at these boots. She showed me these and I fell in love. Too cute. So she did another bicycle. I absolutely love this. Look at the detail in this. Like, my goodness. That is some thin cuts. Girl, this is stunning. I love it. And then we have another botanical set. Looks like two of these. And once again, these are going to cut up really, really nice. They almost look like willow branches. And then we also have, oh, I like this picket fence. And once again, it has some texture and dimension to it, which I really like. This is cute. Tracey, I can't wait to play with all this. This is going to be so much fun. On to what I'm super, super excited about, because this is a new one for her. She did florals. I mean, you guys, look at these. Look at... You know that I love a good flower, and I really like the size of these. They're really just kind of the perfect size. So she did, there's the small ones, and then there's more of a medium one. And these, I mean, these large ones are not even an inch. I'm going to open it up real quick. So cute. So they're like a mulberry paper flower, and they do have leaves in there. Look at those leaves. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So here's the pink set, and you've got a really nice variety of pinks in here. Everything from like a true pink to like a peachy pink to a light pink. Really pretty. She did some blue ones too. And once again, they range from navy to like a really, really light blue and then a medium blue. These are adorable. Actually, I think this might even be white that's in here. Let me, yeah, they're white. So white, light blue, and a medium blue. That is really pretty. And then this is the Victorian Set, it's called. So these leaves are a little more on the brown side. I like that. And then the flowers range from like, kind of like an off-white. This is definitely a dark cream, I would call it. And I'll put that in comparison to the white for you. So yeah, you've got yourself a darker colored cream in here, and then like some mauve-y, mauve pinkish brown. And then look at these small ones that have the mauve center, and then they have the cream offset on them. I like that a lot. These are really pretty flowers. Great quality flowers. You can definitely tell these aren't just made with, you don't, sometimes you can get the thinner flowers that, you know, they're made out of a thinner paper. These are made with like a hand-made like mulberry paper flower. Super pretty. So then this set is the mini roses in Violet Fields, and this has the light blue, like kind of a pink purple in here, and then like a mauve in the small, medium, large. And I think she just sent me a couple extra sets of everything to work on. So thank you for watching. Head on over to Tracey's shop. I'm gonna link everything in the description box. If you've never ordered from her, she is amazing. You're really just, you know, she's great to work with. It's important to shop local, you know, and check back. I already have a couple great ideas for this since I've known it's been coming down the pipeline for a while. I've really thought about what I'm going to do. So check back in the next couple of days and I'll start releasing some projects. Head on over to Scrapaholics Open Studio where you can see what all of the designers are creating with her new line, and share your work too. We love to see how we're inspiring you and what you're doing with the product. And she does have a nice monthly giveaway based on the mood board. There is a new mood board for February, so make sure you check that out. I will leave that in the description box as well. And I will see you in the next crafty video. Bye!